everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a close look at the DYU C2 full folding electric bike, a stylish and practical solution for all your commuting needs. Whether you are navigating through busy city streets or enjoying a leisurely ride in the park, this bike promises to elevate your daily commute with ease and grace. First up, let's talk design and build quality. The DYU C2 is crafted from an integrated die-cast magnesium alloy frame, making it both lightweight and incredibly durable. Its sleek double fish design not only looks good, but also adds the bike's overall stability. And the best part, it's fully foldable. With just 2 quick steps, you can fold the bike down in under 5 seconds. Perfect for storage or taking it on public transport. Now, let's dive into performance. The DYU C2 is powered by a 250 watt motor, capable of reaching a peak of 500 watt. With this motor, you can cruise at speeds up to 25 km per hour or 15.5 miles per hour. Ideal for zipping through urban environments. Plus, the 48 volt, 7.5 ampere hour battery offers a worry-free range of over 40 kilometers. So, range anxiety is a thing of the past. I'm 6'1" and weighs 264 pounds, and the C2 reached 22 kilometers per hour with a full load. So, whether you are commuting to work or exploring the city, this bike has got you covered. The bike also features a bright LED display that keeps you informed about your speed, mileage, power levels, and more. Everything you need for a confident ride. Comfort is key when it comes to daily commuting, and the DYU C2 doesn't disappoint. Thanks to its mid-mounted shock absorber system, this bike ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on bumpy or uneven roads. The 16x2.5-inch all-terrain tires also contribute to this comfort, making it fearless on any surface. Plus, the seat is height adjustable, catering to riders of all sizes. And check this out! There is a practical rear rack that adds versatility to your rides. Whether you are carrying groceries or a backpack or anything else, the DYU C2 is ready to take on the load. Safety is always a top priority, and the DYU has you covered with front and rear lights, perfect for night rides. The dual disc brakes on both the front and the rear ensure that you can stop safely under any conditions, giving you peace of mind every time you hit the road. And for added safety, the DYU C2 features a button throttle instead of a twist throttle, reducing the risk of accidental acceleration. So, if you are looking for a stylish, practical, and comfortable way to commute, the DYU C2 full folding electric bike is definitely worth considering. It's packed with features that make urban commuting a breeze, from its powerful motor and long-range battery to its safety features and foldable design. Start your journey of graceful commuting today. Thanks for watching. The link for the product and the discount code for €100 off are in the description. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about DYU C2 or if there is another e-bike you would like me to review. Ride safe, and I will see you in the next video.